Mons Steno and Type Institute. Dictation. Take the dictation of shorthand. Get ready for lower grade. This is the Sparta of Learning Institute. Q and Q. Type Institute at Jalalabad beside Sitar Theatre at present position. Now get ready the dictation. Addressing the editors of newspapers, the Honorable Minister for Information and Broadcasting said, next para, I am very happy to inaugurate this conference which is organized in connection with the celebration of the Golden Jubilee of the Indian press. I am also glad that a seminar is being held to discuss the future role of the press. As we have rightly spread, the spread of information is the right of every individual in this country, and our constitution assures every citizen fundamental right to information. It means that every person, irrespective of the region he belongs to, can and should have access to the information he requires. Next para. In this context, I would like to recollect the revolution of the media of information. In olden times, the communication was through radio, which is, I believe, still the most preference to by the common man. Despite the improvements in one's standard of living over the years, the ratio of considered to be the cheapest and reliable medium of information. The government too on this spot have established more and more radio stations so that a large part of the country is covered. When the television has been introduced, everyone in the country through that this would surely replace the radio. In spite of its advantages over the radio occupies a place of pride in common man's position. The television, next paragraph. The television has been able to make its impact only during the last 20 years of I could provide besides information a wide range of images which a radio could not. People at once realized the value of this new invention, and as their standard of living improved, felt that it would add to their status. The government too gave much importance for the promotion to this industry, and as a matter of fact ensured that the prices are kept within reach of large section of people. At the same time, another medium of communication came into existence. It is the newspaper. The low price of which the paper is made available has attracted millions of educated persons. I am also aware of the fact that some newspapers are taking to unfair means of publicity in order to keep their heads above matter. The news they spread sometimes lead to unnecessary choose, and in some cases create disturbance in the society and loss of life too. I wish this conference every success. This is 5 minutes speed, so I completed in 6 minutes, but coverage this once again more. Okay, this is the Mons Steno Institute, Sangareddy. Our created printing success because our goal is your success. This is our option. Okay, our motto also. Evening sessions we are undertaking the shortened classes. Come and contact at Mons Steno and Typewriting Institute, Jalal Bagh, beside Sitara Theatre, Sangareddy. If you give the suggestions, we will accept it with heartfully, and we to suggest to as per your what we gathering and expecting from the students. So we cooperate with your suggestions. Thank you, one and all. If you are interested, only subscribe and give the suggestions. We will heartfully cooperate with you, and as possible as we change and the situation of your goals and success is our AA Foundation's motto. Thank you.